Hi, boys and girls. So today we're going to be talking about accidents. Do you remember yesterday the girl was looking for her bracelet and knocked into the boy? He fell down. It was an accident. She wasn't focusing her attention and didn't mean to knock him down. Let's hear about another accident. What do you see here? What's happening? Where are they? Yeah, the park. This is Adam and this is Miles. They're both riding bikes on the playground. Adam isn't watching where he's going. Adam's bike runs into Miles' bike. Miles' bike runs off the path. This is an accident. Adam doesn't mean to run into Miles, but Miles doesn't know it's an accident. How do you think Miles is feeling? Mad? Surprised? Sad maybe? If you had the same idea, rub your tummy. How do you think Adam is feeling? Sad? Surprised? Sorry? If you had the same idea, wiggle your fingers. I have a question. Did Adam mean to run into Miles? No, right? Did he mean to knock Miles' bike off the path? No. Pretend you're Adam. What could you say to Miles? Maybe it was an accident? I didn't mean to run into your bike? How about, are you okay? It was an accident. Accidents are not done on purpose. Adam didn't mean to run into Miles' bike. When accidents happen, it's important to say, I'm sorry, it was an accident. I didn't mean for that to happen. Are you okay? Now it's your turn. You try to practice. Thank you, boys and girls. Thank you for listening. Bye. See you next time.